Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for DTC B0021-13, which refers to an open or increased resistance in the left side curtain airbag's first inflator in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, can indicate critical issues with the airbag system, potentially affecting the vehicle's safety. Understanding the electrical and functional components involved is essential for proper resolution. Throughout this presentation, we will explore the error description, causes, symptoms, and step-by-step troubleshooting methods that ensure effective repair. Safety is paramount. Therefore, it's vital to follow the outlined procedures closely, taking precautions when handling the Airbag Restraint System (SRS), and ensuring all connections are secure and operational. DTC B0021-13 specifically indicates an issue with the left side curtain airbag's first inflator, which is integral to the SRS, or Supplemental Restraint System, of the Honda Accord. The SRS unit monitors various safety components, including airbags, and can store a DTC if it detects a condition where the voltage on the detection line is unusually high. This issue may arise if there is a wiring fault or open circuit affecting the airbag's inflator signal. The left side curtain airbag is located in the vehicle's headliner area, while the SRS unit is commonly found beneath the dashboard, connected to multiple safety sensor inputs. It's crucial to verify that all components, if previously replaced, were done so correctly and are the right OEM parts, as any discrepancies can lead to malfunction and incorrect DTC storage. There are several potential causes for DTC B0021-13 that technicians should be aware of. The first possible cause is an open circuit within the wiring that connects the left side curtain airbag to the SRS unit. This could happen due to wear and tear, accidental damage, or improper installation. A second possibility involves an actual fault in the left side curtain airbag itself, which may have experienced failure during operation. Lastly, the SRS unit may also be defective, leading to erroneous voltage detection and the illumination of this DTC. Each component plays a vital role in ensuring passenger safety during collisions, and any malfunction can trigger warning alerts and disable airbag function. When experiencing DTC B0021-13, initial symptoms include the storage of the DTC itself in the vehicle's onboard computer. Additionally, drivers may notice that the SRS warning light remains illuminated on the dashboard. This warning indicates that there is a malfunction within the airbag system and that it may not function as intended in the event of a collision. The implication of this code can also lead to the failure of the left side curtain airbag to deploy, increasing the risk of injury during an accident. Being aware of these symptoms helps in diagnosing the problem early and maintaining passenger safety in the Honda Accord. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0021-13 is to review the SRS precautions and procedures. This ensures that the technician is aware of the safety risks associated with working on the airbag system. Next, it is crucial to determine if the vehicle has been involved in any collisions, as prior impact could lead to damaged components. Finally, confirm that all required parts, specifically the curtain airbags and electrical components, were replaced with new OEM parts properly installed. This foundational step sets the stage for more detailed inspections and helps to avoid unnecessary complications during the following procedures. The second troubleshooting step involves disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery terminal. This action is vital in disabling the SRS system and ensuring safety when working with airbag components. Following this, the next step is to disconnect the left side curtain airbag inflator connector, typically a 2-pin connector, to isolate the inflator from the circuit. Once these disconnections are made, technicians must perform the confirmation procedure. This includes turning the vehicle to the on mode and allowing it to sit for about 10 seconds, at which point the system will check for any DTCs in the airbag system, solidifying the base condition for further diagnostics. In the third troubleshooting step, the focus turns to inspecting the left side curtain airbag. To conduct this test, a jumper wire is connected between the corresponding terminals of the left side curtain airbag inflator connector. Following the connection, a confirmation procedure is again performed to see if DTC B0021-13 is still indicated. If the DTC is not present during this test, it indicates that the left side curtain airbag operates correctly and that the issue lies elsewhere in the circuit. If the DTC persists, this may confirm that the left curtain airbag itself is defective and requires replacement for vehicle safety. The fourth troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the wiring associated with the left side curtain airbag. This involves checking both the LCA plus and LCA minus lines for any signs of an open circuit, confirming that resistance measurements fall within acceptable limits, typically less than 1 ohm. Disconnect the SRS unit connector and use suitable tools to measure the resistance of the circuit. With findings from these measurements, technicians can ascertain whether the fault lies with the wiring or elsewhere, potentially indicating that the SRS unit may be defective. Regular resistance checks allow for early detection of issues, which, if neglected, could escalate to complete airbag system failure. In the fifth troubleshooting step, if prior inspections reveal normal conditions, the SRS unit itself is the next component to inspect. Technicians should perform function checks on the SRS unit to confirm its operational status. This may involve using diagnostic tools to attempt to clear any stored DTCs and checking for the reappearance of this code. If all previous components have tested positively and there are no discernible faults in the circuit or the airbag, a malfunctioning SRS unit is likely responsible for the persistence of DTC B0021-13. Confirming these assessments allows for strategic decision-making in regard to repairs or replacements. Following the completion of all troubleshooting procedures for DTC B0021-13, it is time to conduct a final verification of repairs. This involves clearing all stored DTCs from the vehicle's onboard systems, which helps ensure that any errors reset and the airbag system begins anew. Subsequently, the battery terminal must be reconnected to allow the SRS unit to receive power and perform its self-checks. Once these actions are complete, a comprehensive functionality test of the airbag will confirm whether the repairs were successful, ensuring that all safety systems are operational and meet their intended purposes. This final verification ensures that the vehicle is safe to operate moving forward. As part of an ongoing maintenance strategy, preventive measures are essential to minimize the occurrence of DTC B0021-13 and other airbag-related issues. Regular inspections of the SRS components and their associated wiring can essentially prolong their longevity and reliability. Technicians should routinely inspect the airbag connections for any signs of wear, corrosion, or environmental damage. Utilizing original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts for replacements ensures compatibility and that systems will function as intended. By implementing a strict preventive maintenance schedule, vehicle owners can significantly enhance the durability of their airbag systems and contribute to overall vehicle safety. In conclusion, DTC B0021-13 highlights critical information regarding the left side curtain airbag's performance in the Honda Accord. Understanding the implications of such DTCs is important for vehicle safety and operational integrity. The careful step-by-step troubleshooting process addresses potential failures that could otherwise compromise airbag functionality. Always implement preventive measures to ensure continual operability of these essential systems. Prioritizing safety and thorough checks not only aids in effectively addressing the DTC, but will also enhance the longevity and performance of the vehicle as a whole. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.